Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. In this video, I'll be teaching you the OLL wherein you have the eye shape. So to solve this case, keep the cube such that the headlights are facing towards the side, and you just have to follow this formula, that is r prime u square r square u r prime u r u square b prime r prime and b. By doing that formula, you will be solving yellow. So another case would be this one. Again you have the eye shape, but this time you have two sets of yellow pieces. Two yellow pieces together. So one is here and the other one is here. So to solve this case, you have to keep the cube like this, and you just have to follow the this formula. So again, this is similar to the first formula in the beginner's method. So you just have to replace the f and f prime at the beginning and the end by the small f. So that is small f r u r prime u prime r u r prime u prime and small f prime. So you'll have to apply that formula twice. So by doing that, you will be solving yellow. So another case would be this one. So again you have the eye shape, but this time you have only one headlight, and keep that headlight facing towards the right hand side, and you just have to follow this formula, that is r prime u prime r u prime r prime u f prime u f and r. By doing that formula, you will be solving the yellow. So another case would be this, wherein you have the eye shape again, but this time you have the two headlights. So you have to keep the headlights on the sides, and you just have to follow this formula, that is f r u r prime u prime. So that was the first formula in the beginner's method, and you shouldn't do the f prime here, and you should do r f prime small r u r prime u prime and small r prime. By doing that formula, you will be solving yellow. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing, signing off.